Is there anything you want to talk about that you're seeing right now today in the markets? We can't hear you. You're on mute.
I wanted to highlight something that has been working from our site. I'm getting there right now. One of the things that I've noticed, and we've been really helping our premium customers with this, is that daily indexes or indices are giving us hints as to what the next potential, literally like moonshot could be in some of the bigger coins. So our portfolios that are constructed here, they've got 3 dimensions. They take into account the quant grade. They use an institutional level method for constructing portfolio, and they use sophisticated techniques for correlation to make sure you're not, all long the same thing effectively. Now, here we're going to see a Binance daily allocation, and EOS and Bitcoin Cash have been here for 2 days. Okay. And today, we saw EOS and Bitcoin Cash take off something like 10%. Okay. So when we're seeing this type of stuff for day trades, not only are we getting the big moves, but sometimes they can turn into hodls. Like XRP showed up in here with our old models. And, again, really interesting that came into an epic takeoff, because the question is, going back to that XRP video that did so well, like how did I just wake up one day and go, hey, I should look at XRP? It's because it popped into one of these models, right? Coinbase daily, right? Bitcoin has been here for 4 days or 5 days, right? So even when it was avalanching lower, when you get these bigger allocations to these indices for the, for whatever coin it is, it can be really powerful. Okay. Let me see if I can pull this up, if it's still the same. I think this one's for the Marines. Okay. Look at the Uniswap allocation to Chainlink. Okay.
Yeah,
this
wow.
was there last night when we did the stream. Chainlink takes off, was up like 4% last night and is up a big again today. So, there are signals inside the Token Metrics universe, right? So data, price predictions, they're not replacements for a thought process. They are a part of your thought process. And the reason we want you to join Token Metrics is because the combination of the AI, the sophisticated quantitative analytics, and the team can help point you in a direction where it's like, hey, our AI or our quant grade is flashing this. So pay attention to this. And of course, it can also help you build portfolios, that you want to hold for short-term or long-term. But I wanted to share that because, that has been a trend that our professional group is really happy with when I'm highlighting, what's showing up on our daily indices and how those things are moving so much. Like you have a chance to actually move your stops up and hodl them.
Yes. So also want to mention synthetics. So we covered that on the last few live streams. We talked about how that's bullish on the quant grade. And if we go to here, it's one of the top movers on this bounce back, already up 8%. Right. Same with Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, as you mentioned, Aave as well. Right. So, definitely take advantage of this. It's not the end all be all, but it helps you quickly filter through all the noise to find which coins are actually going to be moving. Right. And it finds them at a pretty high accuracy. Okay, Abraham says, Ian, do we get the AI quant grades predictions on the investor plan subscription? Yes. So quant grade, the ratings are the quant grade, right? That's available to everyone, hodler, investor, and the professional. Then the price predictions, meaning that price prediction chart, is only available for investor plan and above, and so investor and professional. But definitely take advantage of that. So coupon code is anniversary, one word, all caps, 2020. That's anniversary 2020, one word, all caps, and that expires in less than 12 hours at 11:59 p.m. So be sure to take advantage of that.